working with the farmers and all the coffee shop owner and even to the end user.
นะครับเดี๋ยวจะพาไปเดินดูพื้นที่รอบโรงงานนะครับ
Hello, where are you from?
Germany.
From Vietnam.
I'm from Japan.
Germany. I'm from Thailand.
มหาวิทยาลัยเชียงใหม่ค่ะ
And Japan too.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Germany.
I'm from Germany
And I'm from Vietnam.
How you feel today?
It was very interesting, very informative. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I know more about sustainability and coffee production now.
Very well, thank you very much.
I feel very excited and interesting, but it's a bit hard. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very excited. So I know there's so many ways to make a coffee. So amazing. I am surprised. Yeah.
ก็รู้สึกตื่นเต้นดีค่ะ แล้วก็วันนี้ได้รู้เรื่องเกี่ยวกับกาแฟมากขึ้นค่ะ
Very good experience. Yes.
ก็รู้สึกดีมากค่ะ แล้วก็ได้ลองอะไรใหม่ๆค่ะ
I like it a lot, but it's a bit hot. But otherwise, it's very interesting here. Yeah.
Well, actually, I think the weather today is quite beautiful, like after all the rainy day. And the tour is interesting and insightful. We can learn about the corporate and also the production process and how they practice the ESG.
Oh, I loved it, and I think this experience was very insightful, and I really enjoyed my time here.
I felt that this company is really innovative, and the business model is like a creative one that I've seen. So I really treasure the time I here.
Can you share something about the activity for today?
Yes, of course. We did 3 groups, and then we saw many parts of the companies, and we get interesting information about the production line and also about the taste of the different type of coffees.
Well, I really got to know something about the coffee industry and how coffee beans are made, how the coffee business works. Before that, I only knew how to drink a coffee, but after coming here, I got to know so much about it, and especially how like businesses can like move towards sustainability. Especially the company that we are here today, I think they are doing amazing in terms of sustainability and circular economy as well. So they are really trying from their end to build a sustainable business model, not just for themselves, but for other businesses as well. Yeah, you wanna add something?
Yeah, she speaks too well, so I don't think I have to add anything to it.
It was a very nice day. It was a very interesting experience seeing the presentation of the company and also all the work that's going on here. So it was very impressive, and I wish you all the best for your upcoming activities.
I have an opportunity to do many activities. I think it's very interesting, and I learned a lot from the jollies.
ค่ะสำหรับหนูก็ได้ประสบการณ์เยอะมากค่ะ แล้วก็ได้รู้เกี่ยวกับวิธีทำกาแฟ แล้วก็รวมถึงปัจจัยอื่นๆด้วย แล้วก็ทำให้หนูตระหนักรู้ถึงเรื่องสิ่งแวดล้อมมากขึ้นด้วยค่ะ
Process of making coffee and the history of coffee, and I understand a lot of kind of coffee and too many competitors in trade off.
ก็วันนี้ก็ค่ะอย่างที่บอกค่ะก็อาจจะได้มุมมองเกี่ยวกับกาแฟ
รูปแบบใหม่ค่ะเพราะว่าปกตินี่ไม่ได้เป็นคนกินกาแฟค่ะแต่ว่าตอนวันนี้ก็ได้มาคัพปิ้งได้ชิมกาแฟอะไรเงี้ยก็เลยรู้สึกว่ามันไม่ได้ขมเหมือนอย่างที่เราเคยชิมในร้านอะไรเงี้ยค่ะเพราะว่านี่มันเป็นกาแฟสดใช่ไหมคะค่ะแล้วก็ได้ไปดูการทำกระบวนกาแฟอะไรพวกนี้ค่ะแล้วก็ดูบรรยายเกี่ยวกับปัญหาclimate change ที่เกี่ยวข้องกับกาแฟด้วยค่ะซึ่งเป็นท็อปิกที่น่าสนใจมากค่ะ
So I actually didn't know that coffee can taste sour because I've never tasted sour coffee in my life, but today was the first time. That was pretty interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, when rather tasting coffee, I know how to like pour the coffee in the right way because I never drink coffee for myself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
ขอบคุณนะคะที่มาร่วมสัมภาษณ์
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you
Thank you too.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you so much Thank you
Thank you. Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye.